Namaste and hi. I'm Dr. Maniraj, Associate PICU Consultant from Madhukar Rainbow Children Hospital, New Delhi. As soon as your child starts creeping, crawling, and then standing and walking, there can be many new adventures which can happen in your life. And one of the adventures can be the door trap injury. So, what to do when you see your child finger or hand entrapped in a door, crushed, or pinched? Is it an emergency? Yes, it is an emergency. So, there are 3 steps to follow. The first is clean. Clean the wound and clean the finger or the hand which has been trapped or cut under the sterile water. Second, immobilize the wound and try to wrap any clean cloth around the finger or the hand which has been cut. Third, visit the nearest healthcare facility as soon as possible. The second thing which can happen in this, there can be a complete detachment of the finger or the hand. So what to do in this situation? So the complete detached part has to be kept in a separate sterile water or normal saline if available at home, and it should be kept in a cloth wrapped by it and kept in a separate bag and on an ice pack cover. The ice must not come in contact with the cut part or the completely detached part, and visit the nearest healthcare facility as soon as possible. So what can be done to prevent all these measures? As it is always said, prevention is better than cure. So there can be measures which can be taken. As such, there can be soft closing doors or the slow closing doors, the door guards, the door closers can be applied at home. So while creating your home or renting your home, you have to take care of your child fingers and their hands. So have the soft closing doors and save your fingers. Thank you.